Are you curious if AI can do anything? Well, you're not alone. Many people wonder just how far this technology can go. Can it solve all our problems? Or are there things it simply can't do? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence together. Let's uncover the real deal. From the basics to the more complex aspects, we'll see what AI is truly capable of and where it falls short. Alright, so AI is pretty cool, right? It's revolutionizing industries, making our lives easier, and even entertaining us. But there's more to the story. It can beat us at chess, recommend our next binge watch, and even drive cars. These are impressive feats, no doubt. But hold on, is it really limitless? Can it do everything we can and more? Here's the scoop: AI is super powerful, capable of processing vast amounts of data at lightning speed. It can analyze patterns and make predictions that would take humans years to figure out. But it's not a wizard. It doesn't have magical powers. It operates within the confines of its programming and the data it has access to. It can't think or feel like us humans. Our brains are capable of abstract thought, creativity, and emotions. AI, on the other hand, follows algorithms and processes data. AI learns from massive amounts of data, which means it's only as good as the info it's fed. The quality of its output is directly tied to the quality of its input, which means it's only as good as the info it's fed. If the data is biased or flawed, the AI's conclusions will be too. This is a critical limitation that we must always keep in mind. Give it bad data and oops, bad outcomes. This can lead to errors and even unintended consequences, which can be problematic in critical applications. Also, AI isn't great at creativity. While it can generate art or music, it's not creating something truly original. Sure, it can generate art or music, but it's all based on patterns and existing works. It analyzes what has been done before and creates something new from that. But it's all based on patterns and existing works. It doesn't have the spark of originality that human artists bring to their creations. Originality? That's still our domain. And emotions? Forget about it. AI can mimic empathy, but it doesn't actually feel anything. It can simulate a conversation, but it doesn't understand the emotional nuances behind it. But it doesn't actually feel anything. It can simulate responses that seem empathetic, but there's no real emotion behind those responses. So, while AI can do a lot of amazing things, it's not without its limits. It's an amazing tool that can assist us in many ways, but it's not a replacement for human intelligence and creativity. It's an amazing tool, but it's not replacing us anytime soon. Keep being awesome, humans. It's not without its limits. It's an amazing tool, but it's not replacing us anytime soon. Keep being awesome, humans. But it's not replacing us anytime soon. Keep being awesome, humans. We have unique qualities that AI simply can't replicate. And there you have it. The truth about AI's limits. Got more questions? We love to hear from you. The truth about AI's limits. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments. We're always here to explore and learn together. Drop them in the comments. Catch you later. Stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.